Hey guys, I have created this beautiful web page that I want to share with you. Mm,
I could walk you by and
So I will teach you how to create
I'll
it or how to edit it. Even if you are not a programmer or even if you are a programmer, you can edit it and send it to someone you want to send.
tell with
Okay, so here is my code. It is a small code. First of all, to edit this, you will need to go into the title and just change the name to whatever you want to give. Like for example, you can change it to anything. I will let it be Emma, and after that we have
your morning
this heart sign that is coming.
eyes. I could stare like
If you don't want that, you can just select this SVG and delete it, and it won't come.
your morning.
But if you want to keep it, just don't do anything to it. Next, you want to change the image. So currently I have this type of folder, assets, heart icons. So inside assets, I am using image1.jpg. If you want to change the image, you can bring your image here and change its name to image1.jpg and delete this existing one, image1.jpg. If you do that, it will automatically change the image to whatever image you want to change. And after that, you can also change the moon.
Your
For example, you want some other moon photo, you can copy the moon and paste it inside this assets folder and delete this existing moon.jpg and rename the image name to moon.jpg and it will work. And the last thing we have here is these lines. You can let it be whatever it is, or you can add or remove lines. If you want to add lines, just delete it like this inside double quotes and write whatever you want. And currently I am leaving it as it is. And if you want to add more lines, just go below and add them like this. Don't forget to separate them by comma right inside double quotes and it will work. The code will be provided in the description.
morning eyes. I could stare like watching stars.
It will work on both mobile devices and big devices. Inside mobile devices, you have to click on the image,
I
and when you click outside, it will be unhovered.
could walk you by and I'll tell